Hello students, how are you? I hope that you will be fine. I am Aditya Vikram Rai from Welcome Public School and this school is situated in Kulamasa. Today our topic is ordering numbers. Today we have to learn ordering numbers. What is ordering numbers? You know that when we write numbers from the smallest to the greatest, they are in increasing order and increasing order also called ascending order. And when we arrange numbers from greatest to smallest, that is called decreasing order or descending order. Okay, today we have to solve exercise 1.4 and after that we have to learn what is even number and what is odd numbers. Okay, now common exercise. Hello, I am Aditya Vikram Rai from Welcome Public School and in class 2nd today we have to solve exercise. We are going to solve exercise 1.4. So come with me and take your class. Common exercise 1.4. Okay, now that is exercise 1.4. Exercise 1.4. In this exercise today we have to solve how we can arrange numbers in ascending order and descending order. You know that what is ascending order and descending order. Descending order means numbers in the form of greatest to smallest is called descending order or decreasing order, and what is ascending order? Numbers arranged in the form of smallest to greatest is called ascending order or increasing order. Okay, now common exercise 1.4. In exercise 1.4, first question is question number A. Write the numbers in ascending order. Write the numbers in increasing order. Write the numbers. Write the numbers in ascending order. Write the numbers in ascending order. You know that ascending order means increasing order. Okay, so we have to arrange the numbers from smallest to greatest. First question is 72, 61 and 71. When we arrange it, that will be 61 is smallest, so 61, 71 and 72. Okay, that is increasing order or ascending order. Question number second is, now question number second is, there is question is 196, 196, 169 and 96. We know that 96 is smallest in all, so firstly we have to write 96, 169 and 196. Okay, now come on next question. The next question is question number 3, 128, 128, 31 and 100. When we arrange in ascending order, the smallest number is 31 and after that there will be 100 and then 128. Okay. Now the next question is question number 4. That is question number 4 is, there is question number 4, 145, 145, 175 and 165. When we arrange it, the smallest number is 145. So firstly we have to write 145, 165 and 175. Okay. Now come on next question. The next question is question number 5. That is, the question is 102, 102, 105, 102, 105 and 100. In these numbers, 100 is the smallest, so we have to write 100 firstly and then 102 and then 105. Okay. Now come on next question. The next question is question number 6. That is 186, 186, 168 and 108. When we arrange it, that will be smallest is 108, then 168 and then 186. Okay. Now come on next question. That is write the numbers in decreasing order or descending order. Now the next question number B. Write the numbers in decreasing order. You know that decreasing order means number in the form of greatest to smallest are called decreasing order or descending order. Decreasing order, there is another name for decreasing order, that is descending order. Now come on question, that is question number first, 18, 74 and 80. Okay, 18, 74 and 80. When we arrange it, firstly we have to write greatest number, so that is 80 is the greatest in all, and after that there will be 74, and after that there will be 18. Okay, now the next one is, that is question number second, 144, 141 and 148. When we arrange it in ascending order, this is decreasing order, the greatest number is 148. So firstly we have to write 148 and then 144 and then 141. Okay, now come on the next question, that is question number third, and question number third is 145, 200, 135, 200 and 154. When we arrange it in decreasing order, firstly we have to write greatest number. So greatest number is 200, and after that 154, and after that 135. Next one is question number 4. Next one is 179, 197 and 170. Which one is greatest? We know that 197 is greatest, 197, 179 and 170. Now the next one is, that is question number 5. Okay, that is 102, 120 and 101. Which one is greatest? We know that 120 is greatest, 120, 102 and 101. And next one is question number 6, that is 199, 109, 119 and 109. Which one is greatest? We know that 199 is greatest. Okay, so firstly we have to write 199, 190 and 109. Okay, now the next topic is odd and. Now we have to learn about odd number and even number. Today we have to learn about even number and odd number. Okay, I want to tell you one example. Okay, if you have 3 apples and you have to divide into 2 peoples, okay, then you have to divide 1 and 1 both, and after that the remaining one is you have to cut it, and after that you have to divide. Okay, so listen carefully, what is even and what is odd. In other words, you can say that which numbers can be paired perfectly, which numbers can be paired perfectly are called even numbers. Which number can be paired perfectly? Paired perfectly means if you have 2 apples, then you can divide into 2 people, 1 and 1. Okay, and if you have 4 apples, then you can divide 2. If you have 6 apples, then you can divide 3. If you have 8 apples, then you can divide 4. Okay, so which numbers can be paired are called, which numbers can be paired are called even number, and which number can't be paired are called odd numbers. As like 1, 3, 5, 7. You can't perfectly divide 5 between 2 people. You can't perfectly divide 7 between 2 people. You can't divide 3 between 2 people. Okay, you have to make half. You have to divide, for dividing you have to make it half. Okay, so you can't divide perfectly 1, 3, 5, 7, but you can perfectly divide both 2 people, 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, so 2, 4, 6, 8 are even and 1, 3, 5, 7 are odd. In other language you can say that which number are not divided by 2 are called even odd number, which number cannot be divided by 2 are called odd number, and which number can be divided by 2 are called even number. Okay, in class 2nd, divided means if you divide 4 by 2, that is 2. 2 2s are 3 is 6, 2 4 is 8, 2 5 is 10. So these numbers are 2 4 6 8 10 12 14 16 18 20 are even numbers, and which can't be divided. 1 3 5 7 9 11 13 15 17. These numbers are called odd numbers. Okay, now the next topic is ordinal numbers. You know that what is ordinal numbers? Ordinal number means order of any number. Ordinal number means order of any number. Ordinal number means order of any number. And what is order of any number? You know that when you say position of any object, when you say first, second, third, tell us the position. First, second, third, tell us the position. So these are called ordinal number. Ordinal number say about position of any object, of any paper. Okay. In our class we know that first, second and third rankers are determined. Okay. So we can say that first, second, third tell us the position of the students. Okay. So these are called ordinal number. Okay. And now we have to learn about ordinal number from first to 10, first to 12. Okay. So let's start ordinal number. That is first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, nine and 10. Okay, 8 EIGHTH. Okay, spelling of 8 is EIGHTH. Okay, 9, spelling of 9 is NINTH. 9, 10, 11 and 12. Okay, these are ordinal number: first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Okay, you have to learn these numbers perfectly, and these number are called ordinal number. Okay, thank you for watching the video, and you can see your next video on next day. Thank you, and you have to care of yourself and your family.